Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money with Acorns using an easy method. Acorns helps you invest your spare change by rounding up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar. Imagine buying a coffee for $3.25. Acorns invests the 75 cents difference. You can also set up recurring investments, starting with as little as $5 daily, weekly, or monthly, building your wealth effortlessly over time. Acorns Invest is designed to grow your money through smart diversification. It offers 5 distinct portfolios, ranging from conservative to aggressive, each built with low-cost exchange-traded funds. These funds cover various asset classes, ensuring your investments are spread out. The platform automatically rebalances your portfolio, keeping it aligned with your chosen risk tolerance without any effort on your part. Beyond basic investing, Acorns offers Acorns Later for retirement savings, providing tax-advantaged IRA accounts to help secure your future. Another fantastic feature is Found Money. When you shop with over 350 partner brands, they automatically invest a percentage of your purchase directly into your Acorns account. These contributions can range from 1% to 10%, adding to your savings passively. To truly maximize your earnings with Acorns, consistency is key. Regularly contributing, even small amounts like $5 a week, can lead to substantial growth over time due to compounding. Make it a habit to use the Found Money feature by choosing partner brands for your everyday shopping. As your financial situation improves, consider increasing your recurring investment amounts to accelerate your wealth building.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.